Alright, what's up guys? It's been a while since I've recorded a video of my car. Basically, it's pretty much almost the same, just added some exterior, a few more engine mods, a little interior modding here and there. Basically, this is just an exhaust video. Last time I made a video, it had the Megan version 2 resonated test pipes on there. And since then, those are gone, and now I got the Fast Intentions resonated test pipes. So, here is a video. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, the engine is warm, so it's going to be a warm startup. Okay, so basically the car itself is warm in comparison to the Megan version 2 resonated test pipes. So far, after about maybe 500 miles of them, so far no issues. So I'm gonna do the usual, drive down my street and back. I would rev it up higher. I only went up to about 4,000 just because the neighborhood's kind of quiet, and yeah, don't want to get bitched at by everyone else. So here you go. Hopefully no one takes my camera. Okay, so basically in comparison, it sounds a little bit cleaner. Yeah, what else? It's paired with the Nismo catback exhaust. Everyone that's been messaging me up on YouTube, sorry, but the exhaust is pretty much sold. I'm gonna have the Fast Intentions put on coming Monday morning. So yeah, hopefully this helps a little bit. I don't know how well my Handycam compares to my old camera, but hopefully it helps. So any questions, comments, or concerns, goddamn wind, sorry. Feel free to PM me or ask me up on YouTube. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.